Hello my friends, this is Earth versus Mankind for weather and disasters news. More than 20 towns in Espirito Santo, mainly in the south, have been hit by heavy rains. The Municipal Civil Defense says that their teams are on high alert due to the damage from this weather. Reports say over 100 people are homeless, but there are no reports of injuries. In some areas, rainfall has topped 100 millimeters, the most in 10 years. Officials are deciding whether to declare a state of emergency to deal with the damage. They are also working to help the affected communities as things progress. At the end of this video, thank you very much for watching it, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more weather and disasters news.